Hi everyone, this is my second interface, which is my electronic automatic washing machine. Today I'm going to give you the demo of this particular machine, that how the interface of this washing machine helps the user to narrow down the gulf of execution. So let's start with the demo and the process, and we will discuss along the way. So now I'm going to just uh, start this machine, and to start, if you I have to press the power button. So as soon as I press this power button, I got a auditory feedback in the form of a beep, and also in the form of these visual kind of flash the appearances that my machine is now turned on. So if you just look here in this interface, this is the power button, dedicated power button, unlike in the case of microwave oven, which I discussed previously. So in that interface, the gulf was wider because the start button was doing three things. It was starting, it was having the heating process, and also it was also confirming the heating process. But here in this particular interface, there's a dedicated power button which gives a quite immediate feedback that this particular button is the one which needs to be pressed to power on the machine. So the machine is powered on, and we got very good feedback that a user gets really quick feedback the machine is on. So but it's still not started, the process still not started. I have closed in my machine. So to start the machine, I have to press this start pause button. So it's really good label, which is really visible. The font is really visible for the users, even for the users who are visually impaired. So now I'm going to go ahead and press the start button. When I press the start button, again I got a visual feedback, and continuously I get a feedback while interacting with this interface and with this machine, that the process going on. And here is the automatic part. The machine itself calculated that how much time is required for the washing. That is 38 minutes. That's really automatic, and that is really useful for the user, and this process really narrows down the gulf. So the user instantly knows that it will take 38 minutes to wash this these clothes. So now I'm going ahead and I can select from this program button about the do I need to go through about fuzzy, blanket, delicate, quick, sock, or heavy soil process. So I'm going ahead, and so any novice user can select any one of these this function. So I need to select quick. So how can I do that? I will just press the button, and I'm here on fuzzy. So this shows that I can wash my clothes using this fuzzy function. So again, another some of 3-4 other functions for this washing machine is the water supply. It's on cold, that's really flashing on, which gives continuous feedback for the user that it's using cold water, and it's on extra low, and it's currently in washing mode. So then after washing it would range, and then it would spin on. So this is pretty cool and nicely laid interface, which currently gives you feedback in the form of beeps and tones, so the user can get the information on the plant that what's going on. So as soon as the washing is done, a tone plays on, which gives the user again that the process of washing has ended. So then again, what the user does is he power off the button, like pressing this button. So if the user wants to pause the process, he or she can pause, like it's now paused. As soon as I press this button, all the washing process stopped, and I really got a feedback from the system, that from this interface, that washing is done. So once washing is done, I can press this off button like this and the machine gets off. So as this interacting with this interface, being a user, I really felt ease of use and got the feedback from this interface from at each point. So I really like this interface, and this interface has very has preference, keeping in view ease of use and usability over the other interface which I discussed previously, that was microwave oven. So that was my demo. Thank you.